Today, we'll discover together all the secrets of tequila production. Welcome to Mexico, welcome aboard.
Across the volcanic highlands of Jalisco, endless rows of blue agave stretch to the horizon, the silent foundation of a billion-dollar empire. After 8 patient years of growth, expert jimadores walk the fields, identifying which plants have reached perfect ripeness. With surgical precision, the koa blade slices away the spiky leaves, revealing the heart of the agave, the prized piña. The harvested piñas, each weighing up to 200 pounds, are loaded with practice speed into waiting trucks bound for the distillery. Convoys of agave-laden trucks roll through the distillery gates, where the industrial transformation begins. Every piña is weighed, scanned, and logged, the foundation of strict regulatory traceability. Mechanical arms and skilled workers transfer the raw harvest onto the distillery's main intake conveyor. Each piña is inspected, graded, and sorted. Only the finest hearts move forward into production. Industrial blades cleave each massive piña into halves and quarters, preparing them for the cooking ovens. In the traditional wing of the distillery, split piñas are stacked into massive stone ovens for slow roasting. Massive iron doors close, sealing the agave inside for 48 hours of slow, transformative roasting. In the modern wing, towering stainless steel autoclaves cook the agave with high-pressure steam in a fraction of the time. When the doors finally open, the cooked piñas emerge transformed, caramelized, amber, and dripping with sweet sap. Mechanical pullers and conveyors transfer the steaming hot piñas to the next stage of production. In the heritage section, a massive volcanic stone wheel slowly crushes the cooked piñas in the ancient way. In the high-volume wing, mechanical roller mills shred the cooked agave with relentless industrial efficiency. The sweet golden nectar known as agua miel flows into stainless steel tanks, the lifeblood of every bottle. In the on-site laboratory, technicians measure sugar levels with precision instruments. Every batch must meet exacting standards. Tested and approved, the agua miel is pumped through gleaming pipework into towering fermentation vessels. Carefully cultivated yeast strains are introduced, the microscopic engines that turn sweet juice into alcohol. Inside the towering vats, billions of yeast cells consume the sugars, releasing carbon dioxide in a slow, foaming dance. In the central control room, every tank is monitored in real time. Temperature, pH, and alcohol levels tracked second by second. After days of fermentation, the alcoholic mosto is pumped from the tanks toward the towering copper stills. Rows of gleaming copper pot stills stand like cathedral organs, the sacred heart of every distillery. The first distillation strips the mosto into ordinario, a cloudy, raw spirit ready for refinement. The ordinario returns to the still, where a second distillation purifies it into clear, high-proof tequila. With expert palate and trained nose, the master distiller approves each batch, the final human gatekeeper of quality. Approved tequila flows into vast stainless steel holding tanks, awaiting its next destiny, bottle or barrel. For Blanco tequila, the spirit is filtered to crystal clarity and prepared for immediate bottling. For Reposado and Añejo tequila, the spirit is transferred into American oak barrels, the start of a long, patient transformation. Forklifts and conveyors move the freshly filled barrels deep into the cool, climate-controlled aging cellars. Stacked floor to ceiling, thousands of oak barrels rest in silence, each one slowly transforming into liquid gold. Sensors track every variable: temperature, humidity, and barrel pressure, guarding the slow alchemy within. Periodically, the master distiller draws samples, checking the slow evolution from clear spirit to amber treasure. When the aging is complete, barrels are tipped and drained, releasing the matured tequila into stainless steel finishing tanks. Master blenders combine aged batches and adjust the proof, crafting the signature flavor of every bottle. Before bottling, every blend passes a final battery of laboratory tests. Flavor, purity, and chemistry verified. Approved tequila is pumped through sterile pipework toward the high-speed bottling lines. Thousands of pristine glass bottles flow onto the line, each one ready to be filled with finished tequila. Each bottle is rinsed and sterilized with high-pressure jets, ensuring absolute purity before filling. Precision filling heads dispense exact volumes of tequila into each bottle, hundreds per minute, without a single drop wasted. Precision corking arms seal each bottle with airtight precision, locking in years of craft. Front and back labels are applied with millimetric precision, branding each bottle for the global market. Lasers etch batch codes and regulatory numbers onto every bottle, ensuring full traceability from field to shelf. High-resolution cameras scan every bottle, checking fill level, label alignment, and seal integrity. For luxury bottlings, skilled artisans hand polish and inspect each decanter, the human touch that justifies the price. Each premium bottle is wrapped in protective tissue and placed into custom presentation boxes. Standard bottles are loaded by robotic arms into cardboard cases, 12 bottles per box, hundreds of boxes per hour. Tape, codes, and shipping labels are applied automatically, every case ready for global distribution. Industrial robots stack the cases onto pallets with mathematical precision, building shipping units in seconds. Each completed pallet is shrink-wrapped and secured, protected for the long journey to global markets. Electric forklifts shuttle the wrapped pallets into the vast distribution warehouse, the staging ground for global shipment. Stacked 4 stories high, thousands of pallets fill the warehouse, billions of dollars of finished product awaiting export. Orders pour in from around the world. Pickers and robots assemble shipments destined for 60 countries. At the loading docks, pallets are loaded into shipping containers, bound for ports across the world. Loaded and sealed, the trucks pull away, carrying Mexico's liquid gold toward harbors and the world beyond. At the harbor, towering container ships set sail, carrying millions of bottles toward bars and shelves on every continent. Across the world, the bottles arrive, stocked on illuminated shelves in luxury retailers and spirit specialists. A customer reaches for a bottle, the journey from agave field to checkout completed in a single barcode scan. 8 years of growth, days of cooking, and years of aging, all distilled into a single bottle, ready to be poured.